Let me show you the way that you post on Instagram. Whether you're trying to add in an image or post a reel, you can follow this video to make your post inside of Instagram. So what you need to do is open up the app of Instagram and then tap on the plus icon which is on the bottom. Now in this section, whether it's a post or a story, you can select the option. For a post, make sure that it is selected on the post option and then just select an image or a video that you're trying to post. You can also tap on the select multiple option so that you can select multiple pictures to post. Once you select a video or a image that you're trying to post, there are some customizations that you can add in, such as filters or overlays that you can add into your post, or even audios as well. Once you're done adding in everything, you can tap on next on the bottom right. Okay, now this is the section where you can add in captions to your photos or videos and even add in other things such as music or tag people. Once you're done with everything, you can tap on OK and then tap on share on the bottom right. Once the post now has been made, you can head over to your profile section and would be able to view the exact post that you made. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next one.